Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome back to the interactive course of machine translation in Arabic. In this lecture we will continue working with the Translog, and in this lecture we will be doing translation from scratch. As usual, we have to download the source project from the Dropbox. It is in the folder of project data. Locate your folder. My folder is 16, and we have to work with these two projects. In this lecture we will work with this project. Any file starting with T means that we have to translate the source text of English from scratch to Arabic. I'll open it. And for the sake of ease of work, I will copy it to the desktop. And now I have to open this project with Translog user. I will select this, open project, and from the desktop I will select the project and I will select open. Please note that you may have T1R1 or you may have T1R2 or T1R3, because we have three different types of text. The status is ready. I will start logging. As you can see, in this project we did not provide translation. The required task is to translate this from scratch. So I will start translating. I will translate the first sentence. Oops. Then I have to make a new line so that the second English sentence will be automatically aligned with the with its corresponding translation. You may need to move the window until you can see the text properly. I will pause the recording until I finish, then I will show you how to save this in XML format and how to edit this and how to upload it into the Dropbox. And now I finished translating this. As you can see, because this one is in English and this one is in Arabic, there is some slight difference in the formatting of text, but as you can see, this sentence is separated with the previous one with a new line, just one line, and you can make one line here. You can make one line and you can translate this sentence and make new line or space, and this sentence is translated here and you can make a space, and so on and so on. It will be automatically aligned when we work with Yawat. So after I finished, I will click on stop logging. Then a prompt will say whether I want to save. I will say yes. and I will save it with my serial number. This is Arabic P16 and the name of the project T1R1, and I will choose desktop. It was saved successfully. I will close, and it is this one. I have to edit this to make the language tag. It is in the Dropbox folder. Control V, save. You can see here what kind of actions I did. There is insert, I inserted this, and so on. Later on we will see what is the real value and what is the real benefit of this. Now I have to upload this file to Dropbox. Still I am in my project data and Arabic 16, which is my personal folder. I will click on upload files and I will select desktop, and it is this one. It has been uploaded and it is this one. That's it for now. I will be posting a new lecture on how to translate the second project. Thank you and see you then.